It's the interview you've been waiting for, and it's here. You've got your checklist all marked out. Dress code, check. Portfolio, check. Research the organization, checked. Everything done right down to the T. But guess what? All the other candidates that are lined up for this interview along with you have the same exact checklist as you do. So how are you going to stand out? I've got those answers coming right up. Welcome to EmpowerFlix. My name is Marilyn, and today I will share with you 5 essential must-do tips on how to excel at interviews, and I also have a value tool that will help you seal the deal. Excelling at interviews is all about tapping into your sales skill. We essentially all go through life either selling products we make or ideas we create, and there's no difference in an interview. To stand out in an interview, you got to sell yourself by being believable, honest, and genuine. And to get there, here are our 5 essential must-do tips. Tip 1. Start your day with positive affirmations. Make sure you get a good night's sleep the night before, and once you're up, start those breathing exercises to calm your nerves. And then follow that up with mindfulness that will help you stay calm, confident, and collected during the interview. And once you get done with that, start putting those positive thoughts into your mind and tell yourself you're going to nail this. I am calm and confident. My energy is contagious. Choose the positive affirmations that suit you, but tell yourself you got this. Tip 2 is to show up early. The fact that you reached the face-to-face interview, whether in person or virtually, is that you did great at the screening process. So if you're going to the company's location for the interview and haven't been to that part of town in a while or are new to that part of town, I would suggest you open up your map apps and start doing your homework. It would be great if you are proactive and go there a day or 2 prior to check out the location, the parking facility. You will be able to time your drive and take into account traffic that you may get on the day itself. And on the interview day, get there at least 30 minutes prior to your slot, taking into account any unforeseen circumstances that may come your way. This will help you stay calm, collected because you've gotten there early, because lateness is only going to fluster you. And if you're doing an in-person virtual interview, I would suggest you log on at least 15 minutes prior to your slot so that you can ensure your audio and video works immaculately. And do not forget to dress for success just as you would for an in-person interview, and ensure your environment, your backdrop, and everything surrounding you is professional, clean, neat, and noise-free. Tip 3 is to engage. The moment you set foot onto the company floor or walk through that door, start to engage with the receptionist or any person or people you come in contact with in your time there. Start building that rapport. Do not only save your rehearsed greetings for the interviewer. It is more likely that your interview starts the moment you set foot into the organization, and everyone agreeing to you being a fit there begins from the moment you walk through that door. So whether it's your conversational skills, your firm handshake, or your professional greeting, that has to begin from the get-go. And keep all distractions at bay, like putting on your headphones or scrolling mindlessly through social media just because you got there earlier is definitely a no-go. Tip 4. Showcase your confidence. You need to go well prepared for an interview. And linking back to what Vikram and Magda discussed with you over the past 2 weeks, whether it is researching the organization or preparing for those questions coming your way, prepare, and practice. Practice is key. Also keep a repository of examples that showcase your skills for those behavioral questions coming your way, especially when the interviewer asks you questions like, tell me a time that you faced at work that was challenging and how did you overcome that? You need to be able to answer all of this. And believe me, an interview is not a courtroom and you are not on the stand. So ensure you have a great two-way conversation, a healthy chat, and also have time to inform the interviewer about what you can do for the organization as well as any projects or courses you're currently involved in or have just completed. You need to be able to make a great connection with the interviewer so that when you leave the room, you leave a lasting impression on them. Tip 5 is to send a thank you email. You need to send a thank you email to the interviewer within 24 hours of your interview. I've got those email templates coming up shortly, so stay tuned for that. By sending a thank you email, you're not only showing your professionalism to the interviewer, but you're also telling them that you really care about the position. So do click on the link in the description below to access those templates that will help you seal the deal. So over the past few weeks, we've discussed some great tips that will help you nail your interview. They've all been tried, tested, and are foolproof. So stay tuned for next week where Azhar will discuss what not to do at an interview. Till then, have a great week ahead and see you soon.